and go to his constituency that he has led them for 24 years and show us the hospital he built. Said your casa and it's a broken record, no? To what you were saying.
Yeah.
I have an information on this gentleman. But before we go to the information, Kennedy Agyapong is somebody who I am for the youth, and I want to help the youth, and I want to help the youth. Let me ask one simple question. Ne weka bang and a two on one if ye. Why and a year Juma war Kennedy Agyapong station ho. Because as I am saying this, I pride myself to say, sir, when I was employed by Ose Kwame Despite, one of the things they facilitated was for me to get my own house.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow.
It wasn't something I had thought of. It was something Father Dixon spoke into me.
Okay.
Sepedai, Yanikakra, Ubetimia Todai, Ubetia, and my first house, I didn't pay it out front. Anybody that knows me will tell you. My first house, I paid it in 3 parts.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Wow. I gave the man money, the first money, and then I went to renovate the house. I paid the second money, and then I was selling a car, and he wanted to buy the car. So we did a barter trade on the car.
Oh, okay.
As the balance of the purchase. Papa wait to me price they say or would die more than 400 or would die and one timing kind. He is certainly the ambassador for youth. God bless him. Youth know within a chino why not yet successful. Me today I said that we should all come and say Kennedy Agyapong, because in this world, in Kennedy Agyapong's mind, he's even successful than Donald Trump. In Kennedy Agyapong's mind, he has helped humanity than Jesus Christ.
Hey, so this woman,
in his mind, because he's a psycho.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
How can you open your mouth say me obitis or say Che Mensa imagine platform Sonia Camp or say Che Mensa on the same platform with you Kennedy Agyapong is an insult to the man and his dignity and anything that he represents. This man was given $100 million contract. A contractor na year for me find say NPP chairman DNDA or blackmailing and let's underline the word blackmail, because it's a Kennedy Agyapong has blackmailed NPP since. They gave him the contract $100 million to come and subcontract constituency chairmans and things. Why not find a Juma? He gave the contract to Neire electrical cables. They gave us cheap cables.
Exactly.
And Kennedy Agyapong is part of it. Cheap cables. Cheap cables. As I'm talking to you, the transactional partner, Afia Hon Ken, the abortos are dancing at Cocoa-Board. The abortos are dancing at Cocoa-Board. Now, what I'm telling you this for a fact. Kennedy Agyapong, any NDC for a plea deal. If they can spare him and spare Afia Hon Ken in exchange for the NPP's defeat, why June 2027? Why won't he talk now? And is he God? Does he know what will happen to him tomorrow?
Ask again.
He talk as if, sir, he control the air he breathes. My brother,
yes.
Kennedy at his age, shouldn't be looking for more enemies than he has made for himself.
Exactly. I wonder.
Because Kennedy no John only one day where, but every day he's inviting woes upon himself. Kennedy, why you here? No one will feed you. Be my brother. When you go to bank, they tell you your balance. They don't announce it on national TV because guess what? We don't give a fuck.
Exactly, man.
And Mr. Kennedy will not hold NPP ransom.
Again.
In fact, my NDC friends who told me this also told me, say, Kennedy is a coward. He's doing all this to run away from jail. Because jail is smiling at him. Jail, the 100 million deal. And somewhere, I want to regain my strength before I come and talk. Kennedy Agyapong did a deal with Agyapong. Agyapong na wo no.
Okay.
And the brother at the Ministry of Energy.
It's an energy contract.
Sikane Bayano. Ken Oforiatta didn't want to pay. I'm telling you. Because one or two things look shady to Ken Oforiatta. So what did Kennedy do? His usual antics. He went and sat at the radio station now. Entwemu Mama Dina Maketono. Lambasted Ken Oforiatta. The late Agyapong was dating a woman at the Ministry of Finance. She was the director of budget. Nidendi Eva, she is still at the Ministry of Finance. And Kennedy went and do kululu with that woman. And they made the payment to Kennedy. And at Kennedy, they let Boache Agyapong share of the money. And come on, Madam Lydia.
Wow.
I have the documents here. And also a document.
Yeah, also a document.
Now, Sammy, Madam Fono. Nami a crown for who are you?
Right, I'm a thief.
5 months ago, Kennedy wanted to be the leader of the NPP. What was there to lead? I said NPP phone and two galamse. And in Kobeta galamse anwana. That man is petty. Petty as fuck. And nobody can bring the elephant down. Especially this derailed madman. Nobody will continue to blackmail anybody in the NPP. If Kennedy Agyapong prided himself as a rich man, he was a taxi driver. He was a taxi driver in New York until he joined NPP. I was expecting Kennedy Agyapong to take camera and go to his constituency that he has led them for 24 years and show us the hospital he built. Said your casa and it's a broken record, no. Kennedy Agyapong is not supposed to be donating to hospitals. A man of his caliber and the noise that he makes. By this time, Kwesi Wacha Modern Hospital. Since he wants to claim that he's the richest and the most successful man in Ghana, he should stop making noise. And what he's doing is called noise. Noise. Or $100 million contract. Or the man you to do those send or far woman. The youth in his work, cars no driving.
Ghana gas crown. How many youth are man
Ghana gas? So you to do those send what they are woman. And Brancy and Maba one now Muya do Mama Kennedy presently no do send what to catch a woman. Let's start with that. Do say and I want to catch a woman because these are hustlers that at the end of the day they can run Uber as a spare job. He's making noise. He should stop his noise things. His noise things and his nonsense. He is bitter. And he is selfish. Self-centered. Derailed old man. who feels that the world revolves around him and his mental sickness. One ko Pedro no mfa no onom. One ko Pedro no mfa no onom. Me say NPP for say why Kennedy na the Lucy election kwa ya why no. Me, I don't know why Kennedy is still in the party. I have called Kodia 3 times, he hasn't answered. Why is Kennedy Agyapong still member of the NPP? Why? You people have tolerated this madness for so fucking long. Why is that? Why is Kennedy Agyapong a member of the NPP? And at the MA, and at God is the giver of life. God. From everything that is happening right now, people should think about what would take them to heaven and bring them peace. Not starting chaos that you can't finish. Because documents no will be a will be. Or one sem I want some. You for and investigating Ghana Cocoa Board. Cocoa Board on your phenomenal or 1 year was a pine. Documents no wa o kura or this year better. Nobody can collapse the NPP. It is not for any Tom, Dick, and Harry. I am just going to step down, but everybody should put it in their head that if there is anybody that has benefited financially from the NPP, Kennedy Agyapong, and then why on constituency, the supposed helper of the youth. The constituency and Kwesi ultramodern hospitals you and Kachana.
Debbie.
And Kachano. Afari Hospital no. During budgets, almost say NPP you have found 39%. And I completely I got 2%. Now on we on no Kennedy na Pantine. Sa articulator Gia boss no. Add then a 2% to uncle completely. The supposed rich man. He should fucking go and sit somewhere. Yeah, me there home. Minya, this is my
thank you so much for granting our platform your presence. Thank you so much, Sister Afia. That's the Queen herself coming through, and I think, sir. Look, what the Queen said, just that. Let me allow a report to come in for 6 minutes, then I just...
Boys, in fact, why are they were making me day, enemy night? Boys, I'm not well. The reason being, when issue comes, the party continue to drain the communicators and tell us that we should keep quiet. We should not say anything. Look, Voice, let me tell you, if say Kennedy Agyapong have something in him or person the party bring a party down, that document no or no ankasa or then the signature sign I say in 2022 no na saa time na me bisa so ra Kennedy compare kwa Agyapong na saa time no hu ade ana. Voice, as I'm sitting here, if a document is given to me, I will go through.
Yeah.
And even like that is how it's done everywhere.
Yeah.
Kennedy compare kwa Agyapong and now also when you're 66 years. Now only one thing a year fishy was asam na ho. Would the be a wunya privilege? Now Voice, I will make sure I'll send you an audio. I have a presenter who was a part of this discussion. Ora Kennedy compare kwa Agyapong Niamana Oko donate, you know. It was from the NDC. And I'm making it, nobody knows. In our party, nobody knows. I know it. It's from the NDC because they want Ghanaians to forget about the noise that we are making about our ferry.
It can be
true.
Yes. It's possible.
No, it's not that can be true. Listen very careful. One will pick up no ekita you can't say
it's true. It's true.
Thank you, sister. Odia, me no na tram my seven. Afia take.
Me no coordinating no kwao.
Yeah.
Almost pa man mu December no.
Thank you.
Don't let me talk.
Boys, I like Afia too much. And you see, we have information, but when you tell our people, they will tell you just keep quiet and look. This guy thing that he did was sponsored by the key party NDC leader. And he gave this thing.
Agyapong, wako take a plea bargain from the NDC.
Bargain!
Don't arrest me.
Every
Let me
details.
go and cause confusion and chaos.
Boys, you see?
Don't arrest me. Aye, plea bargain.
Thank you, Afia.
Kennedy Agyapong and Afia Ken, they are very transactional. And to me, Afia, I question myself why Afia still remains our minority leader in parliament. Now, before no more parliament, nobody is saying anything. This Kennedy Agyapong thing that he's doing, because they know Kennedy, when he sets in of a certain confusion, then he distracts us.
Thank you, Afia.
And instead of us to go after things that is happening in the country, look at us discussing a madman. Onipa yebie ni tisu akata so. Naka engine yebie su ni ebuaso a. Enye the same. Uye ka engine overhauling na. Enye duma the same. Adwene no ya pa nche yo akwa we. Enframa gina ni tirim. Bra to aso. Dia wo kan na ya mpa to aso.
If you have that say. Now, a dear Bakwa, a young one was Asemia, and ne, Yenia if you are there to Jano. The sad issue a woman and say, Ora Canadian Japan, any NDC a bargain say, a choir or no de Befaswa, so dear a 2 year 2024 no, a best bill, a nuntina all your side Jumedie, a nuntino co donate, no, said Jumedia Kufuado. Ora ba umiedi ye nyinara no ye be hataso na ye hataso a eden na be magana fo hataso ono Canada compare kwa Japan ye be yusu no enti se obetimi agina sa adwumadie ni mu a na ekrono a ono ebo ye ewo yisigi ni sa niema no ye de ne ho be che no. This is a conversation that went on. But a former presenter.
Yes. Do you know my challenge here? If Honorable Ken,
what is your challenge?
Wealthy as he says he is, and from his speech, 400 plus houses in Okoa, why would you want to stoop that low? So when you say,
you can't say Obi a wicked, you can't say Obi a wicked, you don't understand. Say you can't say Obi Bonnie would be 3 more, whatever it takes. So bekum ni pakro bekum. Now let me tell you one secret, and Obi a pa onko check it. Yero Canada compare kwete Japan ese nipa mako and song in Asante regional opeso omuko content crow as independent candidate in Asante region. There's another confusion there. Nobody's know this. This radio presenter told me, and so boa mesome boa. A nipa mako and song, and the reason why they are doing this, and they say if they did this in Asante region and they won, they are going to set confusion in the MPP because Asante region is our home.
Kennedy.
If they don't vote them out, I'll form a political party. To what end? To what end? Abro. And the name of the political party will be Abro.
What did you hear the video?
Yeah, we heard Abro party. Yeah.
All the executives, the current executives, if they don't lose, I'll form a political party. All the current executives, including Abia Schwar, if they don't vote them out, I'll form a political party.
To what end?
To what end? Abro. And the name of the political party will be Abro.
So, if somebody wants to be president, not president, God forbid, this idiot cannot be president. Somebody want to form a political party. Abro cry and bro for you.
Is that mischief?
No mischief.
Wickedness, Anna.
Abro.
Wickedness.
Abro goes beyond wickedness. Me yawa bro. Oh God, it's a very deep tree, but me. In short, I'm at the. A name is chief. Abro name is chief. Abro. If I say me yawa bro, I dey put gari for. I will put sand for your gari.
Yeah.
To my satisfaction. Like what I'm doing, I not go benefit from it.
But I'll still do it
I just dey spoil things to my satisfaction.
Yeah.
Bro.
Yeah. Sabotage.
Sabotage. Sabotage. So if somebody wants to see a political party with the agenda that they can't the purpose of the party is to sabotage. Now, Papa, we better Ghana youth. Kennedy Agyapong has been a member of parliament for 24 years. All we know is now me talk pick up my way. One nipa do send what Uber. Uber is saying me Afia, I can pride myself and show you. Now me talk Uber my boy way. Now me talk Uber. What do send waiting at you? Otto and I'm a ma bronya scan or the quiet campaign. Satan na bronya will camp. You were using him. Now you see what be now what you the car. Patrol news Anna. If I know how this world's supposed to be.
Yeah.
Bram me patrol to us and yet you.
Hello.
Thank you. Another issue, MPP for penny phone the issue between Yera Bronya today in the you can't say Yera Yini, Attorney General, is that Yera Kennedy Compre Agyapong is spearheading a Bronya case so that
But he almost said it. He almost said it. If you listen to the interview, he almost said it.
You can't say voice. Me what TikTok information menya ni uko yempani for catch on my someone be catch on. These days I will not keep quiet. If it come to a time say me sorry ni yakumia, I'll be happy because this man is trying to make things or be part any munya benyam in 2028 and no what start he's doing it. And nipa no mo boss up on woman na musua say Obekaya,
1 minute.
me wrap up no. So Obekaya, just recently, Brantia Sika, no parliament, and Yebisa no issue about air blasters, right?
And then,
Yes, and Okan saying, Maminka Semintrel. Sika bani ka sa or de kwako ma and crofam or mako blasters no. Wamudi awasa omsirem. Na sa sika no. Enu bi na Yera Kennedy Compre Agyapong me no ka say ne niema wo mo de totoma no ye de ato ama no se me see presenter na oboa sa presenter na o ma pam no ene o ma me information because you know say metimi de ama social media and I tell you Yera Kennedy Agyapong and the NDC are using him as a gun on the MPP.
Ọbẹ̀mpáyé no crack on a crack on an or say takwa Israel so akwa she fifi bu afu echi na wo say
Messi, these are facts.
Ono aka fifi bu afu ndisi phone wo mu use wo mu tu ni nyina ina wo say party no takwa Israel
Yo. I'll still come back to you. DOB, good evening.
Voice,
DOB,
voice me also.
Yo,
If you are negative, then can you my power, your my MPP. And you could dear Okon demand Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. If it's a boy, we need Diano, Yame, and a prana. Me say, I say, my kawaha, na debi ameka. Me name a director. Eti Kennedy Agyapong Hall. Na A+ ho. And I can say, oh no, my Bawumia me the president. Me director pane chow can numa semu biya say. In the interest of the New Patriotic Party, the Abebia Untraso, Papa, we said that. As my maker in 2023, after presidential primaries no.
Wow.
Yes. After Monsha Debi. Proud to primaries na yakoye in 2025 year. Ken Echo UTV. Ene mu beta na say ye to abanana so wan wini a. Obeboa Dr. Manai campaign na. Mo kaya answer on the mind.
I've forgotten.
Yes. Okay.
Say we are politics and now we are politician. Now we share papa no send no conducting ho send no ye ne niema. Now when who for
Oh, when I drop in. DOB, I don't know who dropped you, but who the request me for you? And now our network because me moderator so much sir.
yeah. Now when who send how cunning and wicked that man is na me nyɛ sure say politics na we ni yi onipa otime ka kire MPP fo nyina say John ya boabia samoa hwana sankofo nyina enye ni papa pantia nto abantia wo ne enkofa afokomra yakofa afokomba ye hu de sie afi owie ye no afi de ono a sanko lead di charge say yenkopam afako na ade ba ko a Ghana fo mo nhye ne nso ne say kan nsem ni nyina awie a me the evidence beba no aka ne tra na ode ato no kɔ na to ye tirim na kyesa akwese waka anyansasem bia ma the new patriotic party inya lawyer our general secretary some of us amount for near enya fine will up is because na ye come out you feel say defeat na buy no a fine bi so no na party management and party administration and shadan ka ho but it was solely entirely the governance but the SCCA eko enani o kine ye said there was saying crofo bi na tro petition ma wo ema wo de sanhye beto ho say abronya ne crofo bi o suspend wo mo no yenso ya sha say tro ye petition ye de brew acha by 2 3 4 5 days time on sabeka sa petition e bi krampo o kina omo bewi any diemu a on saka petition na we expect you to do the needful at least mayen ka say o time no obi di nkwasi asem hwe Alote Jacob was an ordinary region chairman. No.
Ordinary, a whole regional chairman.
Regional chairman. Oh no, me in comparative to say Ken person will be the president of Ghana.
Oh, okay.
In the name of the NPP.
Right.
Na I still think it's apamon se beti sakoko. Na papa we the party move for over 4 years in here since 2022. Egu ye party hu fi saa no pawie anyum adan JFK o ye di enhamo eni di mu a ye bibi obi nso nto aso
You made us say DOB and Queen, you can come in anytime you want, right? I mean, you are more than a host. Prince, kindly come in. Good evening.
Good evening.
Long time no see. 5 minutes.
All right. That's a pane. Adwumaden mo ye de aboa o my Ghana and NPP party and Dr. Baumia. Drumera say NPP ejina eka onhubum as a formidable party. Na omo ye nkati apro a omo babe fremu no. Eyi wo mfrime nanka me say enke ka menko a nka honorable kan mo bi amfa ne senka no. Yenye ni say ya party no onu amra out e meka se ma resign
Adentia
dentia mekanisa se the see an edi nsaka na I say obenya hode bi nyenya na so what you say obenya na so
ya di ensabe kan ojo obegina so bia woni
sister fia me tia say pa
owo enina so bi owo bi bra let me tell you something me Afia I don't fall for blackmail